My name is Idris Demir and today we have another unboxing video. And this is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. In front of the box, we can see the Galaxy Tab A11 text. We have some sticker residue and we can also see the product silhouette. On the right side, we can see the model number, storage and memory, the color, and some barcodes. At the back, we have more sticker residue and a QR code for more information on the device. On the right side, we have the other seal of the box. On the top, we can see the Samsung logo. And plain on the bottom. Now I'm gonna use our small cutter here. One seal down. Then one more seal here. I noticed for some reason that the seal is like opposite to each other. And here we can open the box. Now let's finally pull out the product. Now I'm going to put this front cover here on the side. Here there's a small pull tab so we can lift the tablet. But let's inspect first the rest of the box. You can see from here there's a little notch that we can open. That is not removable. From there, we can see the paperwork, which is the quick start guide. We also have the white USB-C to USB-C cable. This feels less premium than usual, and we have the SIM card tray. Now let's return all the items. And I also noticed there's like a little cutout here. And if you pull that one, you can remove the entire container, but nothing on the back side here. I guess maybe if you could recycle this box or reuse it. And here, I like the small icons. They look clean. Now let's proceed with the tablet. Now flipping this packaging, there's a square cutout right here. I'm not sure what's the purpose of that. But then here there's like another seal, so we will go ahead and open it. Once that is open, we can finally have our tablet. And as you can see at the front, black reflective screen because it's turned off. On the back, we can see a single camera, Samsung logo in the middle. At the bottom, we have the speaker, microphone hole, and a little bit offset USB-C port and headphone jack. On the top, we have another speaker grill. On the left side is the SIM card tray, and on the right side we have the volume button, power button, and one microphone hole. Now let's go ahead and boot up this device. Now this is a real-time speed of how it boots up. And then from there you can see it's a little bit slow than usual, so that gives you the kind of performance that you expect on this device. Then here's the welcome screen. And when you press start, you can select the language. Here's our final look on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one.